Alright guys, I'm going to be doing some woodwork today. Graco Compact, I've just put a 310 FFLP tip in. I'm going to prime these doors. Just going to show you my testing fan. I've just put some brown paper on the wall. So I've got my GXFF set up just outside the room on about 1000 PSI.
Now that's a thing of beauty.
So we're just going to see what that's spraying like. A little bit of a spit, but not too bad because we're on low pressure. I get away with that. Very fine mist on the ends, not too taily, so I don't really need to go up. This will be fine for this first coat on these doors.
Nothing to see here.
Warp drive, Mr. Scott.
Always trying to keep my wrist parallel to the surface. Depending on what pressure you're on, just keep an eye on your fan, because if you feel like you're moving too fast and it's not covering well, either crank it up and move at the same speed or just move that a little bit slower. I feel it nice and wet. There's a good solid coat on there.